Happy finals week! Just kidding. I want to cry. Yeah. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. It's me, Marisa here. As you guys can tell, I am home right now while you're seeing this clip. I'm gonna kind of pop on and introduce what this video is going to be because I didn't introduce it when I was actually vlogging it. So anyways, in the clips you're about to see, I decided to vlog my first finals week as a college student. It was an interesting week and an interesting experience. But stay tuned till the end for an update to see how everything went, my final grades, and everything like that. I just want to say really quickly, I'm sorry vlogmas did not go as planned. I had to put my health first, and my health has been not that great recently. Literally, as you guys have seen in my vlogmas and even in, I think, this vlog a little bit, I was still having lingering bronchitis, and that was not fun. And then still just haven't been feeling that great, have not been feeling good. Yesterday, I was in the hospital getting tested for appendicitis, which was really, really scary. So I'm fine, like I'm okay. I did not need surgery or anything like that. It was another issue, but yeah. So that's like where I've been. That's what's been going on with me. Literally have been sick for like a whole month now. I've just been trying to rest, regain everything back. But yeah, so I did film my finals week. Some of it's a little bit choppy. I didn't film like every part of every single day. So I'm sorry about that, but I did try to film for you guys while during the chaos of finals week anyway. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marisa and I upload weekly beauty, lifestyle, and college related videos to my channel, so welcome, hi. So yeah, so please thumbs up, subscribe, comment, anything you'd like to say, and yeah, let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, so it is the first day of finals week. It is Monday. I decided I'm going to vlog this whole week to show you what a finals week is actually like for me, I guess. I don't really know what to expect. But yeah, I'm going to get some breakfast now. It's like 9:45. It's pretty late. I've been having some late nights, you know. Not really studying, it's kind of like because I can't sleep. But yeah, so I'm going to go get some breakfast now. It's a hearty meal, and then I have a final this afternoon. So we're going to go get some grub. Yes. Alright guys, oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome to Kent, Ohio, where it's windy and rainy and your umbrella's almost stayed out. It's really raining and cold. Bye. Okay, hi guys, I just got back from getting breakfast with Ashley and Allie. I forgot to vlog them. We're just all like walking zombies at this point in time. Allie just came and got some cookie cake because my mom gave me a cookie cake. Wait, I'll like show you guys. It's really cute. She sent me this last night. It's almost gone, but it said you're the best. Like, is that not like so cute? Like, it actually made me really happy. So yeah, and then I gave Allie like her little Christmas gift, and she really liked it, and it made me really happy, and I love making people happy, so yeah. But now I'm gonna give Ashley her gift, even though she doesn't really want it right now.
That sounds rude.
No, it's just like she feels bad because like she didn't get mine yet, but like I really don't care. Almost just died on my computer charger. Here you go.
Thank you. Oh.
I'm not gonna record you. Ashley liked her gift. Yay! I gave her like a candle and like a messy bun beanie and like a little friend sign.
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo! Hi. I don't want to study. Alright, hey guys. So I just got back from my first final of finals week and it went good. It went like about how I honestly expected it to. I got a high C on it, like it was basically like a B. But it only dropped my grade like 1%, so I still have a 92 in that class for the semester, which I'm really happy about because it was for my public speaking class, and literally the whole class was like to learn how to public speak, and I did a really good job at it. Like, I did really good on my speeches. I worked really hard on it, and I would have been really crushed if all that work on my speeches was for nothing, if I would have done bad on this like little exam thing, because like we had like weekly quizzes, we had like weekly quizzes where we would like learn like different concepts, but our professor wouldn't actually teach it to us. We had to learn it ourselves through our textbook. but still, like, you could never exactly, like, predict what was gonna be on them. So it was kind of hard. I mean, I did better than I thought, though. I didn't really miss a lot of questions. Every question was just, like, 1.5 points, though. So, but yeah, I feel really good about it. I'm proud of myself. I'm glad I still have an A in that class because I worked really, really hard in that. This semester, I had some lunch by my lonesome at one of our dining halls, just, like, really, like, dead on campus. I feel like everyone's either sleeping or in the library. I haven't been in the library. My roommate's there right now, but I have not been there for a hot minute. But yeah, so on my agenda for tonight is I am working on my group presentation with my group from my other communication class. Then I just have to start grinding, studying on psych. Right now I might relax for a little bit and then clean up my room once again because it's a mess again. But yeah, so pretty chill day, and yeah, I will talk to you guys later. So bye guys. Hi guys, happy finals week day 2. Today is Tuesday around 11:30. I look like I just woke up. I know, I'm a mess. So yeah, today actually I have nothing technically to do. I have no finals scheduled for today, nothing else really going on. But I do have an eyebrow appointment I have to go to because I do have a free day. And I want to get them done before I go home for break because, like, the girl who does them here does them really good. So I want to get them done before I go home. And then I need to just study for my psych exam tomorrow. And then I have a theater test I have to do online, but, like, not that bad. But I have, like, I literally have till midnight tonight to get it done. So I'm not too concerned about it. I have a really bad headache. I'm very congested. I'm very annoyed. Still not feeling 100%. I'm going to get lunch soon with Miss Ashley and Miss Allie. Ashley is doing her makeup. She's making more advances than me because I'm just like, you know, who do I have to impress? No one. Hey guys, so I just got downtown Kent to get my eyebrows done and possibly get my hair toned and blew out, whatever it is. I want to get my eyebrows done before break, and, like, so I made an appointment, and then I got my hair, like, a balayage done, like, a couple weeks ago, and they said, like, I might need toned, like, once a month, so I might get it toned now, because I won't be able to come back here for, like, a month. So yeah, I have an appointment, like, in, like, 15 minutes or so, so I'm just kind of, like, chilling. It's really cold, but here we are. I'm just not having, like, the best day today, just very, like, dull, very, like, feeling kind of blah, and just, like, not that great, but, like, you know, it's okay. So whenever I go back, I need to do my theater test, get a nice warm shower. It sounds so nice right now. I might get a coffee before I go back, just because, like, treat myself. And yeah, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit and see what I do with my hair and stuff. Alright, so I just got back from downtown. I got the blowout, my eyebrows, my chin done. I feel so much better. Like, we love self-care. Yeah, I'm just walking back to my dorm now, so super fun. Okay, hey guys, so down. I just got back from, like, getting my hair done and stuff, so now I'm about to take my theater final of my hair. I got a blowout, got it retoned. I didn't even notice, like, how much it needed toned until, like, I got it toned. I mean, it wasn't, like, bad. Like, I still loved my hair, but I was like, it looks different. But, like, now I'm back to my ashy goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. Hope it goes well. Fingers crossed. You know, I'm just, like, checked out at this point. Just not having the best day today. So, yes. I will see you guys soon. Hopefully I pass. I should. Yeah. Bye. Alright guys, so I literally have been freaking out for over an hour doing this exam. And it was just, like, hard for, like, no reason. Like, it's theater. It shouldn't be this difficult. Like, I don't really know. But I got an A on it. Bless up. Officially done with my theater class. As much as I've loved musical theater, like, my whole life, and, like, theater in general, like, I hated this class just because my professor was really annoying, and, like, it was at a late time. Like, I just didn't really like it. But yeah, I pulled through. Thank God I'm done. Thank God I got an A, so bless up. Woo. Bam. No, you look great. No, you look great. What are you working on?
All the college writing work I didn't do, that's due in 3 days.
I'm proud of you. Love it. Do you have anything else to say in the vlog?
Don't be me.
Words of wisdom. Morning, guys. I literally am the dumbest person in the world. I was leaving to go to my psych final like literally a minute ago, and I forgot my phone in my room. So then I forgot my student ID in my room, so I couldn't get back in my room. So then I had to get a temp key, and I'm not surprised because like I'm literally went to bed at like 2 a.m. 2:30 a.m. yesterday. But it's fine. So yeah, that happened. I'm a real idiot. And yeah, now I'm hopefully not gonna be late for my bus. So we'll see. All right, guys. So fun little update. I made it to the bus, barely, but surely did. I'm gonna go study before I take this final. Hope it's not that bad. There's also like ice everywhere, and I'm starting to like fall. That's fine. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm a little scared, but it should be okay. So. All right, you guys. So I just got back from my exam, my psych final. I think it went pretty well. It probably could have went a little bit better, but like it's fine. I'm not like really concerned about it. I did a good job in that class this semester. For not being a psych major and taking like an upper level psych class, I think I did a pretty darn good job. So I'm proud of myself no matter what. And I take a nap because like I'm really tired. And then today I basically just have to like do laundry. I have to go to the student employment office to like do some paperwork. Not for a job though, it's for like a scholarship. So I have to do that later. And then other than that, I'm staying here all day, cleaning, doing laundry, chilling, relaxing. And yeah, can't wait to go home. I have literally nothing to do. So that's fun because I have a presentation Friday, but like I don't have to, it's like a group presentation, so like it's not just me, and like I already know what I'm saying. Like I have to practice it a little bit, but like I'm not like worried about it, you know. So I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, relax, because you know I studied my little heart out last night, and yeah, now I can finally breathe because I don't have any more exams. So woo. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. All right, guys, we have been deep cleaning the room of dust and cleaned out the fridge, and we had moldy milk. Don't tell my mom. And like dust in this room just gets so nasty. It's just everywhere.
It's literally so disgusting. Like,
and we clean, like we're clean people.
On my, I'll direct you over here to my lights. Only one strand is working, but you can see right here that there's a strand that connects all the lights, and like the little battery pack, it sits on top of my desk. On that strand, I didn't tell you this, on that strand that's coming down, there is a line of dust. That is how bad dust is in college. There's dust on the walls.
Disgusting. Like, here, I'll show you I'm cleaning right now. Like, I'm cleaning like this thing. Like, there was literally like dust like stuck in here, and it's come off onto this. And then look at our vent. It's friggin' nasty.
There's dust on the floor.
And like it just like sticks to the walls. Like how? Like where? Like up there? Like I can't even reach that. It's just wild. We are on our last Chipotle date of the semester. Sad. Hi guys, I'm with Ashley.
Hi.
She's leaving today. I won't see her for a month, but we're probably gonna hang out.
See each other.
So it's not that big of a deal. But we just got Chipotle. Our last Chipotle date of the semester.
Oh god.
It was super good. I haven't had it since I've been sick, which has been like over a month. So it hit the spot. So yeah. Now we're gonna go take little pictures to celebrate the end of the semester at this really cute coffee shop.
I'm excited.
And I might get a hot chocolate. We'll see. So yeah. Last day, finals, 7 5:30 a.m. Friday. Can't wait to go home. I'm writing my presentation now. And I haven't vlogged much, but just really beautiful outside. Realize I'm kind of gonna miss it here for the month that I'm gone, but yeah, let's hope the presentation goes well. Then I gotta finish packing and cleaning my dorm room, so I'm so excited to go home though. I literally cannot wait. So yeah, I will talk to you guys after my presentation. Let's hope it goes good. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog. I am back in present time. I just wanted to update you guys on how I actually did on all my finals. So I am proud to say I ended this semester with straight A's. I don't know how that happened. I'm really proud of myself. I finished the semester strong, even though I lost motivation and was really exhausted towards the end. But I finished really strong and I'm very proud of myself. So it's very exciting. So I'll let you guys know that little detail that, like I mentioned earlier, I am really sorry about like being absent and like not being able to do vlogmas. I really wanted to do it, but my health comes first, obviously. I just need to be taking better care of myself with what I'm but anyway, that's pretty much like all I have to say. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry it was a bit choppy and everything like that, and I'm sorry for my health. I know I keep apologizing for it, but I just feel really bad because Christmas is literally my favorite time of year, and I feel like I'm just not like getting to enjoy it with you guys and getting to like post what I want to post because my body just isn't cooperating that well with me. And just everything going on recently. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, please give the video a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.